Hello, everyone. It was a good class today. I hope you enjoyed it. I really enjoyed doing everything with you. And since we didn't have time to stay back and talk about other things, so I'm just going to spend a few minutes explaining the homework that you need to finish for before Sunday. So some are due on Saturday. One is due on Saturday, and this is due today, no, tomorrow. Okay, so I just want to go through what you have to do so you know. And I have published all this so you can go back and listen to the lecture. You can also look at the vocabulary practice. So the first homework is you will go back and listen to this lecture again, which we listened today in class. And then you will do the exercise on page 96 and then also 97 and submit your answers here like you did last time. You just need to write one and then your answer for page exercise on page, let's see, 96. So it is check your understanding, listen for main ideas. So you will write 1A, whatever, 2B, and things like that. On page 97, you will write the complete sentence indicating which answer you chose, because there are two answers given within the parenthesis. Choose the correct answer after you listen to the lecture. And you have to say one, a megacity is defined as a city with a population over whichever number you think is right, 10 or 20 million, and write the complete sentence. Okay, so that needs to be submitted, and the due date is Saturday because we meet on Monday and I need time to grade your work. Okay, so that's the first one. Then I want you to do this discussion assignment, which will be very helpful for us when we um, meet on Monday. So the way this will work is you answer these questions. What is the name of your neighborhood? Where is your neighborhood? One positive aspect of your neighborhood and one negative aspect of your neighborhood. So first, reply by Friday and then respond to two others by Sunday. Okay, so this you have time till Sunday, but you definitely need to post your own reply by Friday. So that's two. And the third homework, for this you don't have to submit anything, but you need to work on this and bring it to class on Monday. So in order to get ready for the presentation on Thursday, you're going to first make an outline. And for that, what you're going to do is think about two problems in your neighborhood or two challenges in your neighborhood. And then think about the solution to these problems. How are you going to face? How are you going to solve the problem? Now you make an outline using the little box on page 101 where it says topic, a great place to live, and you have introduction, and then issue number one, or you can say problem number one, and then what is the problem, and then problem, the solution, and then problem number two, and then solution. And bring this with you to class on Monday, because this will be very helpful when I put you in a group to talk and prepare for your presentation. So this you don't have to submit, but you're going to bring it with you. So those are the three things that you definitely need to be done by Monday. And for Monday, we will do some more review of this and probably listen to one more lecture and then spend the rest of the class getting ready for the presentation. Okay, so come prepared, do your homework, and enjoy your weekend also.